Welcome back to my channel, the channel where today, we're stepping into a vehicle that limousine luxury and full-on camper. This is not your everyday van, and get ready for an in-depth look at the all-new 2026 GMC. At first sight, the Savannah while it retains the familiar silhouette of GMC's dependable van, it has been stretched and refined into something. The body has been reimagined with aerodynamic, a wider front fascia, and striking LED matrix headlights framed by a satin. Large tinted windows equipped with smart glass that can adjust based on the sunlight for both comfort and privacy. Around the back, vertical LED strips hug the tailgate, giving the rear a modern upscale finish. The overall design language is rugged enough to handle long highway miles, yet elegant enough to look at home when you pull up curbside in the city. When you step inside the Savannah Limo Camper really sets itself apart. The cabin feels less like a van and more like a luxury suite on wheels. Our test model featured a lounge configuration with 2 chairs, in dining cabin all wrapped in premium leather. Soft ambient lighting stretches across the ceiling with customizable colors, setting the mood whether you're entertaining friends or winding down after a long day. A compact kitchenette is tucked neatly behind the lounge area, featuring an induction cooktop, microwave, fridge, sink, and even storage for cookware. Behind that, you'll find the camper module with a fold-away smart bed system, blackout curtains, cedar-lined closets, and even an optional bathroom setup. It's the kind of design that proves you can combine convenience with true sophistication. Now, luxury is great, but let's talk about what's under the hood. GMC has equipped this limo camper with a reworked 6.6-liter Duramax diesel engine, pushing out just over 400 horsepower and a hefty 460 pound-feet of torque. That power is delivered through a 10-speed automatic transmission that feels both smooth and responsive, whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising effortlessly down the highway. Despite the extra weight of the conversion, the adaptive suspension system keeps the ride balanced and controlled, with rear air leveling that ensures stability even when fully loaded. Fuel economy lands around 17 miles per gallon on the highway, which, while not groundbreaking, is very respectable for a vehicle of this size and category. Tech lovers will be right at home here. Up front, a 13-inch touchscreen anchors the dashboard with real-time vehicle diagnostics, navigation, and connectivity features. A secondary panel in the rear cabin allows passengers to control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even the opacity of the smart windows. Safety is another area where the Savannah shines. You'll find all the modern driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. Parking a vehicle of this size can be intimidating, but GMC's 360-degree camera system and obstacle detection mapping make it surprisingly effortless. Of course, all this comfort and technology comes with a price tag. The base model starts at just under $100,000. But with the full luxury package, camper conversion, and optional off-grid upgrades, you're realistically looking at a final price between $135,000 and $160,000. So, does the 2026 GMC Savannah Limo Camper live up to the hype? Absolutely. It's a vehicle that blends utility with indulgence, creating a sanctuary for families, entrepreneurs, or anyone chasing the freedom of the open road. Whether you're using it as a high-end mobile office, a family adventure pod, or your own private getaway, it proves that luxury travel doesn't need to compromise on capability. If you enjoyed this deep dive review and want more detailed looks at the vehicles shaping the future of travel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the Savannah over a traditional RV? And what would your dream camper setup look like?